Vectra is the leader in network detection and response, using artificial intelligence to identify attacker behaviors in real time, thereby stopping compromises from turning into breaches. The goal of this video is to introduce the integration of Vectra's Detect application with Azure Sentinel. The Vectra Detect's built-in web interface enables security analysts to efficiently prioritize their investigation from the critical quadrant, lists all hosts and accounts seeing malicious behaviors, identifies campaigns involving multiple hosts, and enables drill down into individual detections for detailed investigation. In enterprise settings where there may be an ecosystem of tools, Azure Sentinel offers a single interface into multiple tools. SOC analysts would likely have access to Azure Sentinel and hand off escalations to experts. Also, Azure Sentinel allows a single interface for incident response across all these tools, which may include Microsoft security tools like Defender ATP. To enable these Sentinel-powered operations, Vectra has created a Vectra Detect connector and a Vectra Detect workbook for Azure Sentinel, both of which are available as templates. As you can see, the Vectra Detect workbook for Sentinel closely mirrors the information in the Vectra UI. The overview page shows a list of all hosts and accounts with detections, prioritized from low to critical based on their threat and certainty scores. There are list views of the worst offenders by their threat and certainty scores. This widget reflects attacker behaviors on any host deemed as key assets by the user. Clicking on any of these quadrants provides a filtered list of hosts in that quadrant for further investigation. Along with a summary, this workflow provides a specific URL in the Cognito UI that the user should go to. The host page shows a searchable list of all hosts with any active detections. Clicking on any row gives a trend view of the threat and certainty scores for the host over time and a list of every detection for that host. Once again, the user can pivot directly into the Cognito UI for more details on any of these detections. The Accounts page is similar to the Host page, a list of accounts with detections. Clicking on an account reveals all detections observed. The Campaigns page shows a list of all attacker activity involving multiple hosts. This allows security teams to easily correlate and observe the impact and progression of an attack. Finally, the workbook also displays system health log messages and an audit trail of any user activity or changes made to the system.